To fix the problem where your Battlefield 6 won't launch with the graphics card error, first thing that you need to check is if you have the newest available graphic drivers. And if you're using NVIDIA graphics card, then you can just download or open your NVIDIA app. Now it's called NVIDIA app. Previously it was GeForce Experience, I think. But anyway, open the app, go to the drivers, and right here you should be able to download the newest drivers, which should fix that problem. After they're done, you can also restart your PC. And if you're using AMD card, then you should have similar app but called AMD app, and you can do the same thing. Open the app, find the drivers and update them. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.